Hey, what's up guys, it's Lee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the WhatsApp storage almost full message. This message pops up when you're running low on storage, and if you don't address the issue you won't be able to send or receive any photos or videos, so it's important to address it as soon as possible. First, let's open up WhatsApp and click on the settings icon located in the bottom right hand corner. Then let's select Storage and Data under Storage section. You'll find an option called Manage Storage. This will give you a breakdown of all the conversations and the amount of storage each one is using, from the largest to the smallest. If your WhatsApp is almost full, the yellow line will be all the way up to 140, which is the maximum capacity. To free up the space, click on the chat that's taking up the most storage, and you'll see many megabytes or kilobytes that they're using in the chat. Click on it and you'll find the photos and videos that you've sent in that single chat. To delete them, simply select one that you want to get rid of and hit delete item. In the top right hand corner, you can do this for each chat until you've freed up enough space. Once you've deleted the unnecessary media, you'll have enough space to send and receive photos and videos. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.